Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and having fun in your life. Let's see how we implement nested if statements in MS Excel. What actually we want is to print grade against every student. Let's suppose if we have if Ali got 95 marks, then excellent should be printed here, and good, set, pass, fail, so on so forth. Let's see how we will implement that. Every function and formula starts with equal to sign. Equal to if. First we need to check that if this cell is empty or not. To check that, we have a function is blank D44, close the parentheses, comma, double colon, empty colon, because this cell is empty. If this cell is empty, then print nothing. Leave this cell blank. If D44 greater than equal to 90, then print excellent. If D44 greater than equal to 80, then print good. If D44 greater than equal to 70, then print set. If D44 greater than equal to 60, then print just pass. And if this D44 student got less than 60 marks, then he is fail. Close the parentheses. 1, 2. Each parentheses have color. The pair of parentheses have same color, so you can understand how many parentheses you need to close. Black. That's it. Now this cell is empty because we have nothing in D44. Let's populate this D44 by printing 95, 85, 71, 61, 81, 68, and then finally 59. Fail. One thing we need to add, we want to validate this data so that the person who is entering data should not enter the wrong data or above, like above 100 or less than 0. So we need to validate decimal, select the range 0, and maximum is 100. And again we can print a message here like invalid data. Please enter correct data. So if the user tried to write wrong data, then this error message will be shown. Okay guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have subscribed my channel, and please remember to press the bell icon so that my latest videos may reach up to you. Thank you so very much.